lights off this 2013 Nissan Altima. You never know, your brake light's out or it's cracked and you want to take it off. Let's get it. Let's do this. All you need is an 8mm ratchet. You can use a ratchet, or if you have this tool, you can use it. Flathead, this thing, whatever you call it, clip remover, and this, whatever you gonna call this shit, to you know, pop the tail light out because you don't want to scratch the car. Let's get it. Let's pop the trunk. Use your remote. I'm gonna use this button. It's right here, if you didn't know. Now let's remove these clips right here, right there, and right there. There's one here, and there's one over here. And it's trunk a little messy, and there's one right there too. So we're gonna pop this off, like push it back. Okay, so you take off those clips. You gotta pop this off, put it back a little, so you have some room. Pop this off, just like that. You see, you can just leave like that, because I'm gonna show you one side. The other side, you could do the same way, but I'm gonna show you this side. Now push this back, like so. There's a clip right here too. If you didn't take that off, I forgot to take that. Let's take it off. Alright, pull this back, just like that. Now, there's two 8mm, 1 and 2. Take those off. Let's disconnect this tail light first. Pop this off. Push down on this. Pull it out, just like that. Okay, now take off these 8mm. Now take that tool, that prying tool, whatever you want to call that. This tool, and go right here, and just like that. You could do that or pull on it. I didn't want to scratch the car, so now let's push it back or pull it back. When you pull it out, you could change whatever you want to change: signal bulb, brake light bulb, reverse bulb. Just pull the grommet out, just like that. That's it. Done deal. Your tail light. All right, let's put this back. Put this shit back. Let's put this in first. Connector. In there. So put your grommet in like that. Now line up the holes. Make sure you slide it. You slide it in good. Just like that. Slide it in. Push on it. Good. Now let's put the bolts. 8mm bolts. 8mm bolts. Okay, now connect your connector. You need that because you want the brakes to work, signal to work, all that stuff to work. You don't want to come back to this. Now pull this thing back like so. Okay, tuck it in just like that. Put this on there. That. Push down. Okay, it's good. Now let's put the clips back on. Make sure you put the rubber over this like that. Okay, now make sure you check if your signal work, brake light work, tail light works. Don't forget to put your everything back together. Tighten your bolts, your bolts, and check if the lights work. Brake light, reverse light, tail light, all that stuff. Brake. That's it. If I helped you out, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget subscribe. And later.